Hello guys, and welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video, I want to share with you how to recall a message after you have sent it in Gmail. It's actually not directly recalling, but you can delay it from delivering and maybe give it some seconds, and then after that you can recall it, edit it, and then send it back again. So it kind of give you a room for you to correct some of your mistakes in cases when you make mistakes when you are writing an email. Okay, so to do that, all you need to do is the first thing you need to do is to start by coming to settings over here, and then you can come to see all settings, and it brings you over here. You can stay at the general. You have the option to check out other tabs, but for this case, for this video, we will stay at the general tab. And you can come all the way down here. You can see unsend. Okay, send cancellation period is within 20 seconds. You can check to increase or decrease it. You can make it up to 30 seconds, so which means a given email can be delayed up to 30 seconds. Okay, or you can put it short. You can give it a shorter time, let's say 10 seconds. Okay, so when we select 20 seconds, what this means is after you send an email, it will give you this 20 seconds to recall it. If you don't recall it, it's going to be sent permanently and you cannot recall it. Okay, so you have these 20 seconds to cancel. Okay, so let's say we make it 10 seconds, and then we come down here and save it. Okay, so once we save this, then we can type our message. You can say new, and then we can type to, let's say, Epic Mentorship. All right, we put the subject, then we'll put the content, and once you're done, you can come all the way here and send it. Why we use this email is because we want to see the delivery, how much time it will take to deliver. Okay, so we can just send it, and within 20 seconds we can recall it back. So we can click on send right now. You can see the message has been sent, but then you have the option over here before 20 seconds you can do unsend, and once you do unsend, you can see it has just been removed from the sent received message, and we have recalled it. So at this point, you're free to edit your message. You can edit the email as well. You can edit the subject, you can edit the content, or maybe you want to add a picture to showcase this. You can just click and maybe insert a picture. Okay, yeah, this picture, for instance, you want to add this picture, and once you're done, you're now satisfied that you want to send it, you can still send, and you still have that same 20 seconds. You see the message has been delivered, but you still have 20 seconds to recall it. So if you are satisfied with it, you just wait after the seconds. Okay, you can see after 10 seconds it disappears, which means you cannot recall this message. All right, so this is basically how to recall an email after you have sent it in Gmail. Ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I will see you in my next video. Bye.